Unyielding security, the ultimate defense with Frontier Pits Pass 68 static Terra Mars Bollards. These bollards are successfully Pass 68 tested to stop a 7.5-ton vehicle at 40 miles per hour, ensuring high-strength construction. The bollards are built with S355 structural steel for maximum durability and protection. These bollards requires only 500 mm embedment, simplifying installation without compromising security. The bollards are sleek in design that seamlessly integrates into urban landscapes, maintaining visual appeal. They are available in various finishes, including 316 stainless steel for enhanced corrosion resistance. Tested with both N2 and N3 vehicles, ensuring reliable performance in high-risk environments. These bollards are designed to meet BSI Pass 69 guidelines for optimal security and effectiveness. They are also recognized by BRE Global for excellence in security standards. Secure your perimeter with the robust protection of Frontier Pits Pass 68 static Terra Mars bollards. Contact Stebilex today for expert consultation and installation.